Hello! Today I want to share with you my experience of the best e-commerce service. I've tested quite a few e-commerce platforms in the past, and I have to admit that this service has the most thoughtful feature set. Pretty much everything you need to launch your own online store is on the platform. I make over $20,000 a month with this, and I have been using it for about 10 years. In this short video, I will tell you 7 very useful secrets that few people know about, but which make it truly the best in the best e-commerce category. It's about Shopify. I will leave a link to the official website under this video. And now I will show you everything in detail with a clear example. So let's get started.
Hello, is Shopify the best e-commerce platform? Let's evaluate all the pros and cons. I definitely recommend this service for everyone. Shopify is a very popular e-commerce brand in the West. The company is headquartered in Ontario, Canada. The site builder was launched in 2004 and became one of the most successful startups in its niche at the time. According to the developers, their platform is used by more than 200,000 clients. Loud statistics. According to the authority's specialized resource, Shopify was included in the rating of the best store builders. The official website of the service looks presentable and modern. The Russian language can be selected in the footer via the drop-down menu, but there is no Russian language localization of the constructor itself. That is, to use Shopify effectively, you must have at least a basic level of English. Designs and working with templates. The design selection process is a bit unusual for a SaaS platform, being more close to a CMS. The first step is to connect an online store from the main page, Add Online Store, by selecting one of the tariffs. Design settings are located in the online store theme selection. You will need to go to the Shopify store where you can find both free and paid templates. You can sort it right immediately by choosing free. This will show you all 26 templates. Most of them look interesting. They are modern, sometimes even daring. Large sliders, large photos, lots of clean space, stylish menus and logos, without any complex effects, but they look solid and cheerful. Total costs range from $100 to $180. Their quality is better than the free ones, mainly due to the variety of structures used. Many original ones come across, but the difference in quality with free clearly does not correspond to their cost. You can flip through the designs as much as you like, watch their demos and read descriptions. After selecting, you must click Install to install the theme. You can select several templates, then switch between them from the control panel. All templates are responsive. The possibilities for customizing them in Shopify are very solid, and they have individual differences depending on the selected sample. You can fine-tune the color scheme element by element, fonts, header, footer, sidebar, shopping cart, social bar, showcase appearance, etc. You can read the documentation for each template if you suddenly find something incomprehensible. But the easiest way to figure it out is by typing. Functionality. The control panel in Shopify is very similar to CMS like PrestaShop or OpenCart and is not inferior in power to them. It is full of various settings, not very simple but quite user-friendly. Shopify is an efficient engine for building foreign stores. They turn out the way they are used to in the West. They are convenient to administer and promote, but not with us. The control panel is structured with a vertical menu with many sub-items. Home, homepage, displays tips, tariffs, plan status, gives quick access to some functions, add a store, change a template, etc. Orders. Order management, drawing up templates for sending invoices and trade offers. Products, adding products to the store, creating their categories, billing operations, invoicing, accepting invoices, managing gift cards. Customer database. Reports, statistics, monitoring of sales for a given period, client, distribution channel, payment method, etc. Discounts, creating promotional codes. Online store, adding posts to the store's blog, pages, designing a site menu system, managing templates and domains. apps, a store of paid and free applications that you can add to your site. All of them are broken down into categories: marketing, sales, social media, shipping, goods, service, statistics, etc. Settings: a huge number of parameters related to delivery, payment acceptance, taxes, files uploaded to the site, and user account. Separately, it is worth mentioning the possibility of loading, unloading goods via CSV files. You can download a sample that will help you arrange it correctly and then upload such a file. A large number of instructions and explanations are scattered throughout the admin area. If you wish, you can study them for a long time. Optimization and promotion. Shopify contains all the SEO features you need to be successful. For each product on page, you can prescribe the values of the meta tags of the title, description, and keywords. Don't forget about page titles and subheadings. You can add an alt tag to images to tell the search engines what their content is. A very useful tool for a store where each product contains at least 2 preview photos. The sitemap is generated automatically. You can also paste your code into the body area. It is clear that you need to use keywords in the description and name of the goods, just like in a store on any other engine. The engine contains decent built-in statistics that are conveniently structured and reasonably detailed. It gets information from Google Analytics with which you can sync your store in the settings. It is possible to connect Facebook Pixel as well as use a variety of marketing applications to attract and retain the attention of visitors, increase the volume of traffic. Price policy. Shopify allows you to test yourself for free for 14 days. Next, you will need to pay one of the tariffs. We took the cost for the year, although the system provides the monthly cost by default. Starter, $168 per year. 25 products, 2% commission on sales, no access to HTML CSS editor, discount system, and callback order. Basic, $312 per year, unlimited tariff and number of products, 1 GB of disk space, 2% commission on sales, discounts on products, 24/7 technical support. Professional, $852 per year, 5 GB of space, 1% commission, gift cards, advanced statistics. Unlimited, $1,932 per year. Unlimited disk space, 0.5% commission on sales, report builder, shipping cost calculation, and everything else. Shopify is a pleasant product in many ways. Beautiful, very user-friendly, and very functional. Based on my experience with the service, I can confidently advise you to achieve your goals.